guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're looking at a whole bunch of cat mighty machines. Wow, I can't wait to get a closer look at each one. First, we're going to look at the Bulldozer. These sets come with a remote control and they have lights and sounds, forward and reverse motion. You can see you can hold the remote control right in your hand. It makes it really easy to use. When you hold the button, it goes.
Back it up!
When you let it go, it stops. There are lots of mighty machines you can collect. We have the dump truck, the wheel loader, and the bulldozer. You can also get a backhoe. Let's check out the next one. Here we have the dump truck. It also has a really good remote control. Let's check it out.
Back it up! Cat power!
Our next one is the wheel loader.
Back it up! Cat power!
Here we have the skid steer. It comes with some rocks. Wow, check it out. That's going to be really neat. Let's check out what the remote control does.
Cat power! Cat power! Cat power! Get your hard hat!
These are really neat. This was the skid steer. We also have the forklift. Let's take a closer look. Wow, look at that forklift. It even comes with a box and a pallet. Look at that really cool steering wheel. You can hold it just like they do. It works just like in real life. Let's see what our remote control does.
Cat power! Cat power! Cat power!
looks really sturdy and it looks like lots of fun. Let's check out our last cat mighty machine. Wow, it's an excavator. Look at all the detail. It's in the boom and all those cables that go to the hydraulics. It's really awesome. It even has a nice track. It's a rubbery kind. Has a remote control. I can't wait to see what it can do.
Move some dirt. Are we ready to go? Caterpillar Tower.
This is a really great addition to all of our other Cat Mighty machines. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.